Hello, this is Angela Williams. I'm the leader of the Lifestyle Changers team, and I am super excited to introduce you to our new Smart Money program, which is the 750 credit plan, where we're actually going to take people and give them a step-by-step blueprint in learning how to restore and fix your credit. Now, there are a lot of reasons why you want to have good credit. We already know that. Number one, you want to be able to qualify for a home. You want to be able to purchase a car and not have co-signers. You want to be able to qualify for 0% credit cards if you choose to do that. Maybe you want to launch a business and you want a business loan and you want to go through the bank or any other service. You're going to need to have your credit in order. Nowadays, there are many employers, in order for them to gauge your integrity and your trustworthiness, they're actually running your credit report. So now, in order to even get a job, they are running your credit. So there are a lot of credit repair services on the marketplace, some good, some bad, but many of them charge a ridiculous amount in order to fix your credit. Some are charging $400 to fix your credit. Others are charging $79 or $99 every single month in order for them to fix your credit and give you credit monitoring. So what we feel the best thing that you can do is educate people how to do it yourself. That way you are in control. You can help your children, you can help your family, you can help your friends. This is a service that you can learn, and you can even start your own credit repair business. How cool is that? So what we have basically put together is a intensive, extensive digital step-by-step blueprint learning tutorials, and we're using video. So to just give you a quick glimpse of what is available to you, this module comes, there's 10 modules that take you step by step how to fix your credit. And what we recommend that you do is that you go through the entire training module first before you start implementing what you see and what you hear. Okay? So if we were to just go to the first module, which is just going to give you a tour of the website, what is available to you, and it also gets you started. So you're going to be able to download the Fair Credit Report, the Fair Debit Collection Act report as well. We're going to talk about how to get your credit scores, how's your credit score calculated, different brochures that you can get, understanding your FICO score. If we take a look at Module 2, Module 2 goes into how to get request your free credit report. It's giving you all the links, all the downloads, how to get credit monitoring, how to pay attention to your credit scores. All of those things is in Module 2. And I'm not going to go through all the modules, but I just wanted to give you a snapshot of kind of what it looks like. How to read your credit report. We give you samples of credit report. How to mark and rank your credit reports. Spreadsheets that you can use. Because here's the reality. A lot of people, when they dispute their claims, they're taking the easy approach. They're just going online and they are disputing online. But here's the reality, and that's the difference between people who really have done research on credit repair and people who are just taking bits and pieces of what they hear and try to tell you that they can fix your credit. Okay, if you're disputing online, you are giving up some of your rights. So if you dispute online and they come back and they say, you know what, we believe that we're right, but they're wrong, because you disputed online, you can't even take them to court and fight it. You're giving up your rights. So this is something that you're going to learn when you go through our program. So I'm super excited about that. Some of the other modules is how to dispute the items on your credit report. Module 5, how to remove negative payment history. Number 6, how to reduce your credit utilization. Number 7, how to add credit history. Module 8, how to properly apply for new credit. Module 9 teaches you how to get credit mixture. Because a lot of times I hear people say, oh, just run and get you a secure credit card. No, you need credit mixture. And the beauty of being a part of this program, especially with the Lifestyle Changers team, is I'm going to be sharing with you resources that I have used over the years, ways for you to rebuild your credit, not only with just a secured card, but how to rebuild your credit so you get that mix so that you can get a secured installment loans that have an investment vehicle tied to it. That way, if you're going to put up money in a secured card, that money is just sitting there. Yes, it's going to help you increase your credit score, but that money is not adding value, it's not compounding. So if you want to fix your credit, as well as build your bank account, you want to make sure that you're using a credit mix that is going to be attached to an investment vehicle. And that is something that I am going to share with you. I'm also going to give you a resource for those individuals who may be interested in launching their own business, but maybe at the moment your credit is not where it needs to be, but you kind of want to get started, but you can't go to a bank, you can't get a bank loan. There are resources out there that you can have access to that will allow you to get a small business loan, allow you to pay off your debt, allow you to even purchase a car and not go through the traditional banks, you guys. And it's also reported to the credit bureau, so you also building your credit all at the same time. We also have access for people who are in business who would like to build business credit, need trade lines, and also we have resources where you can get financings and lines of credit up to $100,000. So it definitely pays to know me. What else you're going to get in this credit repair education system? Well, we're also going to introduce you to a concept called income shifting. And that's basically teaching you how to keep more of your money, how to understand the tax laws, and how you can increase your cash flow so that you can get out of debt and you can invest. So the beauty of this program is you're going to learn what that's all about, how to correctly fill out your W-4, how to minimize your expenses. And we're going to give you a tool that you can use so that you can budget and you can pay off your debt the fastest, okay? And we also going to give you an investment calculator so that the money that you are using when you invest it, you're going to be able to see what your rate of return is going to be. So this is an exciting training portal. I want to see so many people fixing their credit because it's really about, in order for you to really understand the wealth strategies that are available to you and to be able to really take advantage of the American dream, there's so many things that has to come in play, and credit is the number one thing that you want to have into par, because I'm telling you, sometimes credit can replace money in some places. Okay, so get back to the person who introduced you. Now, here's the beauty of this system. This is a education course, and the course costs $99, not $400, not $99 a month, but $99. That is a one-time cost to have access to this education. And I believe that it's one of the best investments that you could ever make. We also have available to anyone who might be interested, we do have credit monitoring services. There are a lot of credit monitoring services that are available on the internet right now. Many of them is charging $30 a month, $50 a month, $60 a month in order for you to monitor your credit. Well, we actually have a service where you're going to be able to monitor your credit 24 hours a day. You'll know and be alerted when somebody may accidentally steal your identity and something derogatory falls on your credit report. You are going to be notified. You're also going to be able to track your credit score. You're going to be able to pull your credit reports from all the three major credit bureaus. And what's great about this service is I want to share this with you, and that's the cost. Check this out. You can get credit monitoring for 1 full year for $34.95. Not $34.95 a month, but $34.95. You get credit monitoring, access to your credit scores, and run your credit reports. Isn't that fabulous? You can even get 6 months for $23.95. So I'm just super excited about it. anyone who introduced you to this opportunity. This is your chance to get your credit fixed, or if you're interested in starting your own credit repair business, this is the best way to go because this gives you the education that you need. And for those of you who have been introduced to MyEcon, and maybe you're thinking about joining this business opportunity, well, if you are an associate with MyEcon, this credit repair education is free in your membership. So that's amazing. And if you're on the verge of joining MyEcon, instead of paying $99 for this education service, you can actually add another 100 to it. And for $200, you getting this credit repair. You're getting a home-based business, which is going to give you all the tax deductions that you're going to be able to tie to your lifestyle to increase your federal refund check. You're going to learn income shifting so that you can keep 95% of your money and get a refund check. You're going to get access to your own attorneys, and you're going to get access to identity theft protection backed by $1 million policy. And you're going to get the corporate perks where you can get discounted travel, discounted restaurants certificates, as well as discount shopping at Macy's, Walmart, Foot Locker, Michael Kors, anywhere you can think of. We get to shop in our back offices at a discount, free shipping, and we don't pay taxes. Brilliant, right? Give back to the person who shared this information with you, and get into the service, start getting the education, and start fixing your credit. Have an amazing day.